Have you ever wondered how crucial it is to identify design flaws and manufacturing errors in products? In a world where we're dependent on a myriad of products, from our coffee machines to our smartphones, the integrity of these items is paramount. When a product fails, it's not just a simple inconvenience, it can lead to financial loss, damage to brand reputation, and in some cases, even pose safety hazards. Think of it like this: a faulty brake in a car, a weak beam in a building, or a defective battery in a device. These aren't just minor glitches. They can have far-reaching consequences. But if we pinpoint these errors early on, we can prevent future occurrences, save resources, and maintain customer trust. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving a crime, you're preventing one. Identifying these errors is not just about fixing a problem, it's about preventing future issues, saving resources, and maintaining customer trust. Enter artificial intelligence, a game-changer in root cause analysis of product failures. This new approach is taking the world of manufacturing by storm, revolutionizing the way we understand and address product failures. At the heart of this transformation is the powerful ability of AI to analyze massive amounts of data. Imagine a sea of information containing thousands, if not millions, of data points. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But for AI, it's a walk in the park. It dives into this sea, sifts through the data, and surfaces with valuable insights. It identifies patterns, connections, and correlations that are nearly impossible for a human to detect. But that's not all. AI doesn't just analyze, it predicts. By identifying patterns in past data, it can foresee potential failures. It's like having a crystal ball that lets manufacturers glimpse into the future, helping them preemptively address issues before they even arise. And what makes this all possible? Machine learning algorithms. These algorithms allow AI to learn from past failures, enhancing its predictive capabilities. Every failure, every error, every flaw becomes a lesson. And with each lesson learned, the AI becomes more accurate in its